Hey baddies, welcome back. So today I am stuffing my second YouTube paycheck, and this is the paycheck for last month's revenue. And so I'm going to be stuffing a total of $656, technically 25 cents, but I just left that in the bank. And so here are the funds I'm going to be stuffing. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so I'm just like so stoked about this YouTube income. Like, I'm not gonna act like it's not work or that it doesn't take time, because it does, but it's just, it keeps me accountable, and it's such a cool community of women to be a part of. Everybody is just so supportive. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm not supportive enough because they're so just supportive, and it's just an amazing community to be a part of. So I'm super grateful for it, and I'm super grateful for this income because it allows me to add a little bit of extra to my sinking funds. So first up, we are going to be stuffing our pink binder here, and these may not go in order. I was just kind of picking the ones that may have needed a little boost. So first up is savings. I put money in here anytime I get money, no matter what. So to savings, I'm going to be adding $65. So there's 50, 60, and 5. Our new total here, 1,000, 2,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 92, 93. So $2,593 in our savings. Next up, we are going to be doing retirement. And to retirement, we're going to be adding $125. So we have 100, 20, and a 5. So our new total here, 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 50, 65, 70. Okay, 1,470. And one of the questions on my post where I asked my followers on Instagram what's something they wish budgeters talked more about, a lady talked about wanting an IRA but not knowing where to start. I've learned most of my information on YouTube and Instagram, but you can pretty much just open up an IRA. You can use Roth or traditional, and you can do it through brokerage firms like Fidelity, Vanguard, TB. There's a ton of them out there. So, and you know, the maximum amount you can add per year is $6,000, and you know, compound interest. So, I mean, that's a pretty basic explanation, but you just open one and add money, you know, as you can. To debt, I'm going to be adding 25. Because I opened mine this year. I may offer a screenshot of my Fidelity to help you get a better visual. We'll see. So to debt, we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 750, 770, 790, 810, 815. And it's just a really good way to add to your retirement. You know, you can also have a 401k, but I'm self-employed, so most of my money will go towards my Roth. New whip's getting nothing. Emergency is getting 40. So 20, 40. So in here now we have 1,000, 100, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 25, 31. $1,331 in our emergency fund. All right, are we adding anything to medical? No. Family time is getting 25. So 25. All right. 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. $275 in our family time envelope. Alrighty, so that's it for this binder here. Let's move on to our peekaboo envelopes. So in this binder, we will be adding nothing to our miscellaneous. Travel, nothing. My essentials will be getting $22. So 22. So we have 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720, 740, 760, 780, 790, 795, 797. $797 in my essentials. Gifts will be receiving $50. Again, this is a busy birthday month for me, August and September, so I'm really trying to bulk this one up. 1, 2, sorry if you hear that in the background, the trash truck is here. 100, 200, 3, 4, 455, 550, 570, 590. So we have $590 in gifts. Christmas will be receiving $25. And again, I am going to go ahead and try to bulk this one up and get $1,000 in here by Christmas. Anyway, okay, Christmas. 102, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 340, 350, 360, 365, 370. So we have $370 towards Christmas. Rico's getting nothing. Insurance is getting nothing. Car maintenance is getting nothing. Boobies is getting $50. Again, y'all know this is one of my favorite funds. 50, 100, 50, 200, 220, 240, 245, 247, 248. So we now have $248 towards our breast reduction. Bills will be receiving $25. New total here, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 75. And so I'll break this down into my other bills. I have another binder. I don't ever show that here. I made one video. It's just because the envelopes in there I didn't make, and so at the beginning I was just trying to use products that I make, so I never really showed it. So maybe I'll show it. I bought them from another YouTuber here forever ago. So household items, we're going to be adding $20. Yes. So our new total here is $35. Again, this is a newer envelope, just some things I noticed that I need around the house and I didn't really have a fund to pull it from. Oh, and the cool thing about these envelopes, which again are on sale on my site, is if you'd like to, just put it in the comments and I'll slit them open so that I can, you know, pull them in and out with ease. I like them that way. Not everybody does, but I do. So, last up, I was supposed to get 2 10s and I didn't. Okay, I'll figure that out. First up, we're going to do our 52-week savings challenge. And to that challenge, we're going to be adding $30. So we're going to take a 20 and a 10, and we're going to add it in here. Alrighty, and then next up is our 100 envelope challenge, and to that one we're going to be adding $55. So I believe number 55 is open, and it is, do I have the envelope pulled? Yes, I do. So we're going to be adding 55. And so that one's good. The other one that I need to do, y'all, is taxes. And I now keep my taxes in this binder. That's just a little note. I need to put $32 in here because I had to pull some out of it. I pulled some of it out to make change for this stuffing. So to our taxes, we're going to be adding $79, 50, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is just business taxes. So I'm not gonna count it. Just a couple $1,000. So yeah, because YouTube didn't pull any taxes out, so I'm just gonna throw that in there just in case. Okay, and so again, this is from me having to pull out a 10 when I only needed 6. So I'm just gonna take this money and add it to my $1 savings challenge. The $2 bill is fine in here. Okay, and so that's it for this YouTube paycheck. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow me over on Instagram at Baddies and Budgets. And y'all have a good day. Thanks. Bye.